Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about Facebook ad copy examples. Yes, so we are going to visit one website, and the website name is swiped.co. So, this is the largest analyzed swipe file collection of profitable marketing and rare copywriting examples, an exclusive community for smart marketers and copywriters. So, let us look into this. Okay, this website says reverse engineered marketing and copywriting inspiration. So, in this website, you will get all types of ad copy, whether it is new or old. So, let us click on any ad copy. Let us take this. This is newspaper ad copy, paid advertisement. So, here you can see the headline, reduce your wrinkles up to 56% the first month, and you can see the results for yourself absolutely free. Wow, what a line! This is amazing. This is also amazing because it is giving absolutely free, and people want free things. Now you just go ahead what they have written here, then you will realize. Okay, increase production of new skin cells by 57, reactivate stem cells, decrease wrinkle appearance 56. So once you go with this ad, you will come to know how the ad copy can be written. So call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and contact number. Free supplies are available on a first come first served basis only. Wow, they are providing services like 24 hours, 7 days a week. They have given contact number. That means they are giving each and everything. Just you need to take action. So this is called based ad copy in case of newspaper. So now we will go back and we will check something more. Okay, so here we have all niches. You can select as per your requirement. Okay, so industrial, info marketing, insurance, luxury marketing, whatever. But let us go with all niches, and here I will select. See, here you can get affiliate email, animation, authenticity, banner ad, bonus, classified email. So many things are there. You just go ahead and check it what you want exactly, but I will go with Facebook. Yes, so Facebook ad copy is having 38 swipes. Now let us check. See, you can just come here and check this for ad copy. I will show you one here only, and it is totally free. You can come and check. So the Facebook ad landing page below are advertising an amazing front end offer by major financial news publisher. So you just leave it. Now let us come to this, what they have written here. So this image is now grabbing the attention of the user or audience. Yes, now here written, make America great again, killer. Yes, wear the make America great again cap and stand with Trump in securing America's border with Mexico and cleaning up Washington. Wow, what a lines they have written. See, here people are saying that make America great again. Yes, even they are saying that you can secure America's border with Mexico and you can clean Washington. So amazing line. Yes, amazing headlines. Now see, get Trump's cap free, make America great again. This is also a killer headline. Donald Trump, you just leave it. This is the best way to just write a ad copy. So once people see this ad, definitely they will click the link. So when they click the link, where they will reach? They will reach here. So make America great again. Donald Trump's cap a $25 value yours free. With this special offer, just pay 4.95 shipping. Wow. Actually they are giving free, but you have to pay for shipping only. So, see how they have written. You just go ahead, plus get the next three issues of Newsmarks magazine at no cost to you, a $15 value. Yes, special bonus they are giving. To order your Donald Trump Make America Great Again cap, go here now. So, this is call to action. Yes, see, if you are if you want to write great ad copy, then you have to understand the audience. You have to know what to write and what type of audience. Yes, so I hope you learn something from this lesson, and you just go ahead and explore this website, and you will get so many examples which will help you to write killer ad copy in case of Facebook or other, whether it is email or anything you want to write. So thank you so much. This is Neeraj Kumar Singh signing out until we meet again. For now, bye bye.